Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be talking about the CBEX trading platform and the withdrawal issue at this particular moment with the massive bonus that is currently coming up right here. So I've actually gone through the platform for about since yesterday to the moment I'm making this particular video. Then I went for the tutorial and I've actually learned and see what actually happened at that particular point, what people are currently saying right here. So my conclusion about this particular update or this project is actually that we still need to calm down, right? I actually know that we are all panicking at this particular moment, but I'm going to actually break down what they actually said in the Telegram handle so that we can actually see some insights from this particular stuff. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Remember, this is a disclaimer. It's not a financial advice. It's for information and entertainment purpose only. So far making money from this platform doesn't make you make money, and you can make more than I do or make lesser. So do what to make your own personal research before you eventually go into registering or trading any platform right here. So considering the CBEX trading platform and what they'll be doing currently for now, they actually talked about the market that are currently opening in the Asia trading platform so that is why they're actually bringing out this bonus right here. And to me, I actually saw that this is currently not necessary. I'm going to be sincere right now. It's actually not necessary for this to actually come up right here. And also they actually said that from the way I look at this stuff, they need to get some amount to be able to lock in. They want to lock some amount to build in the other platform right here, and this is affecting the existing users already right here. So they said the trading is actually going to be happening for about 5 days right here. So you can see you received a bonus yesterday, you received another bonus today, so you are going to receive each bonus just like that for about 5 days right here. So after you've gone to your bonus for like 5 days right here, so the bonus is actually going to stop, then you still cannot withdraw. The withdrawal is actually in 3 ways right here, so I'm going to break it down. So the first withdrawal is that if you actually did not invite anybody and during this process, if you don't invite anybody during this particular process and the 5 withdrawal days is actually elapsed right here, so you have to trade that particular amount for about another 7 days. So after trading this particular amount for about 7 days, then you can continue and proceed to withdrawal right here. But if you want it to be fast, you need to like refer many people to actually come in, about 2 or 3 that's going to put in about $600 to $300 kind of for what they said, and it's going to increase your earnings right here. So, and the last one is actually trading, having the 4 trading signal per day or having the 3 trading signal per day. This is actually going to enhance your capital and it's going to boost up your profits right here. So if you actually go into these particular platforms and you try to check out what they've been saying, a lot of people are actually panicking at this particular moment, and I'm going to tell you that it is actually normal to do that and to panic. But I'm going to be sharing some other update and other information so far they comes in right here. So to get updated, do want to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for you to be updated about the new update that is going to be dropping on this particular platform. I'm going to see you in my next video, guys, and stay blessed.